Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Reddit. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Reddit application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Once you log into your account, you can simply tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then you will see your account options. From here, you can simply tap on History and now you will be shown all of your Reddit history. You can simply scroll through all of your history and then individually remove them by tapping on the Hide Post button, or you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Clear History. And now your Reddit history will successfully be cleared. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.